Let's take a look at a sample project. We will look specifically at programming the first sequence. I chose to build a helicopter, so your project and programming will vary slightly since you built something else. Once you're logged into your Scratch account, create a new project by clicking Create. Make sure you have enabled the Scratch link if working on a Windows device. Start by connecting your WeDo. Click the Add extension icon at the bottom. Scroll down and click LEGO Education WeDo 2.0. Click Start Searching and click the green button on your WeDo. Click Go to Editor once connected. Delete the cat sprite since we will not need it for this project. Let's add a backdrop to our project. Click the Choose a Backdrop icon at the bottom right-hand corner. I will be choosing an outdoor backdrop, so I will click Outdoors. Feel free to choose any backdrop for your project. I will go with the canyon backdrop, so I will click Canyon. I will also be using a sound in my project, so I will click on the Sound tab. I will delete the pop sound that is provided by default. Now I will choose a sound. To do so, click Sound icon. The sound I want is of a thunderstorm, so I will type thunderstorm in the search bar to see if it is available. Type thunderstorm or a sound you wish to use. Click the sound. You now have the sound available to use in your project. Notice the sound is approximately 14 seconds long. Go ahead and navigate back to the Coding tab. You can confirm that your WeDo is connected by looking for the green check mark. If it is green, we are all set and ready to program our first sequence. We will need an event to start our program, so click on the yellow event circle. We will use the event when space key pressed, event block. Click and drag onto the workspace. The next block I will need is a look block. Click on the purple look circle. Select the Switch Backdrop Canyon block and drag it just below your first block. They should click together like puzzle pieces. Please note that Canyon is available by default, because it is the background I chose earlier. Now let's add our thunderstorm sound. You can find sounds under Sounds. Click and drag the Play Sound Thunderstorm Unit Done block under the previous block. Again, they should connect like puzzle pieces. Now we are ready to add some movement. Click WeDo 2.0 to access motor blocks. Click Set Motor Direction to this way and drag it onto the workspace just below the previous block. With your mouse, click and drag Set Motor Power to 100, then drop it just below the previous block. Let's change the power to 50%. This will slow down the motors so that I don't run into issues. The next block we will add is the Turn Motor On for 1 second. Drag it below the previous block. I would like my motor to run for 15 seconds rather than 1. So I will simply type in 15. I will now access my control blocks. Click the control circle. Let's add a weight block. Drag the weight block and place it below the previous block. I will change the wait time from 1 second to 4 seconds. So this will cause a short pause in the program. Click WeDo 2.0 to access the motor blocks. I will add the set motor direction to this way block just below the weight block. From the drop-down menu, I will change this way to reverse. This will allow the motor to spin in the opposite direction. Drag and drop the set motor power to 100 just below the previous block. Once again, I will change the power to 50%. The last motor block I will use is the turn motor on for 1 second. Drag and drop just below the previous block. Change from 1 second to 15 seconds. I will need one final block and it is located in the looks blocks. Click the looks circle. Grab the switch backdrop canyon block and place it at the very end. From the drop-down menu select Backdrop 1. This is simply a blank backdrop. We are basically resetting the stage at the end of our first sequence. This will prepare us for sequence 2, which we will talk about in a later lesson. We will make one minor change in the when space key pressed block. Rather than starting the program when we click the spacebar, let's change it to 1. This sequence will now start when I press the number 1 on my keyboard, and not the green flag. Let's give our project a title. Type your project title. I will title mine Tommy. It is the name of my helicopter. You will name your project appropriately. Now click Save Now. That's it. You're done. Try out the sequence by pressing the number 1 on your keyboard.